I made a Unity plugin for lip syncing, and I just open sourced it. I built this plugin to make voice-driven facial animation easier. As long as your model has the standard 52 ARKit BlendShapes, you're good to go.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm excited to demonstrate this audio-to-face animation system. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence contains every letter of the alphabet.
Supports live recording and local files. Tested it on multiple models. If the naming is standard, the accuracy is great.
风向是会转变的，终有一天会吹向更加光亮的地方。风向是会转变的，终有一天会吹向更加光亮的地方。
I've built in a free key, so you can skip the sign up for now, since server resources are limited. This might change later. It's still a basic version, and mainly supports standard meshes. If you find any bugs or have ideas, just open an issue on GitHub or leave a comment. And if you like it, a star on GitHub would be the best support.